this is the corridor. You have to use your wristbands to get in. There is a lift opposite, and then downstairs is the plaza. Upstairs are the hotel rooms, and the first floor is the apartment. So the lift's just there, and thankfully we are right opposite in room number 2. So I'm going to take you in for a little room tour. You get in with your wristbands, which are also your locker keys. So just excuse a bit of the dumped stuff that we've just brought in whilst I do my tour. So we've got an apartment and not a hotel room. So first things first, as you come in, there is a toilet here. Just a little toilet room. Has an automatic light, so it turns on when you come in. It's lovely and modern as well. Everything here is just so lovely and modern. And then as you come in, we've got the hallway and the typical Center Parcs flooring. There's a full length mirror here on the wall. And over here we have the bathroom. Just trying to figure out how to turn the light on. No, there we go, managed to turn the light on. So over here you've got a little dressing table area with a stool, which is handy for doing your makeup. And then you've got some towels down here on some shelves, and another sink, and this massive mirror. There's also a hairdryer, so you don't have to bring your own hairdryer. And then down at the bottom you've got a heated towel rail and a lovely walk-in shower. Look at that. That is gorgeous, and it's also massive. I don't know if the camera sort of does it justice, but that is really, really big. So that's the bathroom area. The only thing to note is if you were coming like with your parent or your child or your friend, there's no door. There's a door for the toilet, but there's no door for the shower. So yeah, if you want a bit of privacy, then you might just have to ask someone to wait in the bedroom area. Then we've got the kitchen. So we've opted for an apartment, so we've got a fully stocked self-catering kitchen here. It's literally got everything you could possibly need. It's even got a wine cooler. It's got a dishwasher built in, a fridge. What's this? This is the fridge. That little section at the top is the freezer, so it's got a little freezer section, but it's mostly fridge. We've got a sink. There's a bin in there. They do provide you with a few bits, but like there's not usually enough things like dishwasher tablets, so we always bring our own. But they do provide a few. Kettle, toaster. There is a coffee machine. This is a Bosch coffee machine if you've got any pods you want to bring. My mum has actually decided to bring her own coffee machine because we don't have the same pods for this one. Then you've got this little tea station area. We've got a hob, electric hob, and an oven. The oven's a microwave oven as well, so that's really handy. And then all of the cupboards are stocked with like glasses, cutlery, plates, mugs, all stocked. So that's just really perfect. And there's a little cubby hole here which you can see into the bedroom. I'm going to take you into the bedroom area now. This is the bedroom area. I'm staying with my mum, so we've obviously opted for twin beds. And this is the bedroom area. So there's a little desk over here. There's a TV above, and this TV pulls out so that you can watch it in bed, which is really nice. Then we've got a table here. Now we usually put this chair over here and we eat our meals here. There is a nice big wardrobe here. And then the best thing ever, the view. Look at this view. This is stunning. Massive forest view. Lovely, lovely big windows. I mean, that's just gorgeous. I mean, it's February, so I'm not sure we're going to be able to eat out here and stuff, although it is a very warm February compared to normal. But this is our view. This is absolutely unreal. And we're actually here for the winter lights. So if you can see over there, there's like some lights, because they've got lights all over the trees and they look really nice. So this is just beautiful. It is like 5 o'clock now, so the sun's just setting. And we've got this massive balcony. I'm just going to go over here and show you. I mean, this is massive. And this is the biggest windows I've ever had in an apartment, I think. And just, yeah, lovely, lovely view. We've got a cherry blossom tree over there and plenty of forest. And then here's just a look at the bedroom from this angle as well, because I don't feel like I've properly shown you the beds. So we've got the twin beds, but you can have a double bed. So you just select it when you are booking. You can select twin beds or double bed. And then by the side of the bed we've got a little bedside table, and we've got some plug sockets and some lights, so that's really handy. A little lamp, some reading lights, and yeah, that is our room. It's absolutely gorgeous. I really do recommend staying here. If you're trying to save a bit of money or you're on a budget, these are really reasonable. People are quite shocked when I tell them, but this room actually cost us £450 in the school holidays because my mum's a teacher. So yeah, so I think you can't get much better than that. That is £45 per person per day because we're here for 5 days. I mean, you can't ask for better than that really for what's included in this. That includes the room, all the access to the facilities, unlimited access to the pool. So yeah, very happy. Very, very nice. Now we need to unpack. Oh wow.
Yeah.
That is close, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, and the lights.
Yeah, I think so, right?